of recovery India's rural economy in 2021. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Sonia Gatraj back again with the big news. In a country like India with millions of population, the problem of unemployment becomes even difficult to manage. People find it very difficult to find work, and most of the time they have to settle for less than what they are qualified for. Therefore, a rural economy in any country is very beneficial and important for it. The rural economy provides people with employment as well as opportunities, therefore contributing to the reduction of the problem of unemployment and boosting the economy. The rural economy has always resulted very beneficial for the Indian economy. However, with the spread of the COVID-19 virus-led pandemic and the country worldwide lockdown imposed by it, the rural economy hampered. India's agriculture growth fell and the economy was continuously falling apart. Revival of the rural economy. In the year 2020 to 2021, after the economy opened up again, the rural economy witnessed growth. India saw record high food production as well as a rise in the agriculture exports. The exports were highest since 2013 to 14. This year too, with a high level of food production as well as expectations of the better monsoon, has given a hope for further growth to the rural economy. What about the previous predictions which said that the second wave of the virus can completely destroy the rural economy? With the current level of the growth even after the arrival of the second wave of the virus, the analysts and the industrialists have said that the predictions may be proved wrong. The survey conducted by the Smart Power India of the mini-grid villages indicated that the economic activities in villages were very less affected by the second wave of the virus than the healthcare and the education sectors. The recent policies made by the central and the state benefited the rural sector. The farm as well as the non-farm sector witnessed a quick recovery during the second wave as it was supported by the government support, including free food, front-loading payments and much more. Other than that, another factor providing a swift recovery of the rural economy is the normal monsoon forecast for this year. The southwest monsoon has arrived earlier this year. The rainfall for the June was in a cumulative surplus at 10% of the long period average. The weather reports of the year have said that the monsoon of the year 2020 is very good. It has major potential for creating various decent and productive jobs and provides sustainable development and therefore leads to the economic growth. The rural economy contributes to the significant share of the total employment and the output of the economy in our country, which has a huge population. The rising level of the poverty of the country is also set to reduce by the rising growth of the rural economy. Rural development has always been a major agenda of the International Labour Organization (ILO) since its introduction in 1990. ILO has adopted over 30 international standards for the labours that are of a direct relevance to agriculture and rural development. The government body of the ILO in March 2011 adopted a strategy on promoting decent work for the development of the rural economy. The constant growth of the economy, especially from the last 2 years, have been very beneficial for the Indian economy. A bounce back in the rural economy can have a serious effect in rising the demand and increasing the spending.